Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the order status in your Bigcommerce store. Updating the order status helps us track purchases, manage fulfillment, and keep customers updated about their orders. Now, let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to Orders. Orders are on the left side of the page. You will see a drop-down menu. Here, we can see all our orders. If we want to change the status of an order, we just click on the current status. The status can be set to awaiting shipment, completed, sample returned, or refunded. It is simple to change the status of an order. We can manage our orders here, change statuses, view totals, and take other actions. We can also view transactions and resend invoices. To change the status, we use this option. Once we change the status in Bigcommerce, we keep our order statuses updated. This helps our operations run smoothly and keeps our customers informed.